What's up, guys? BDG Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, leave us a comment below. In today's video, we are going to be taking three 3060 LHR cards that we have back here, and we are going to be throwing them on Shiba. We are going to be mining Shiba with those, so using Unmineable. So stick with us. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to want to do is log into your Hive OS. Go into your farm. Now, the first thing you want to do is create a wallet. So you're going to click on the wallets tab there. Alright. So you're going to go add wallet. Coin. Type in enter your wallet address, enter the wallet name. We're just putting an exchange in here. And save as global wallet just means you can use it across, separate farms if you have multiples. And create. And there that is. Alright, now that you got your wallet set up, you're going to go to open up your browser, go to unmineable.com. Now, how we're going to mine SHIB. SHIB is not a mineable token. So what we're going to do is use Unmineable, which is a website where you can mine Ethereum, Ravencoin, Ergo, a mineable coin, and get paid out in something else. So in this case, we are going to be taking our GPUs that are on Ravencoin and be getting paid out in Shiba. So what you want to do is find the coin that you want to get paid out in. In this case, we're doing Shiba, so we'll click on that. Now it shows you right here, ETH hash, ETC hash, Kapow, RandomX. These are different algorithms that you can get paid Shiba on if you're mining on one of these. So we're doing Ravencoin on Kapow, so we're going to click on that, and you got your global server here, and then this is how the command that you put into the miner to basically let it know that we're going to get paid out in SHIB. So what you're going to do, go back over to Hive OS, going to go over to the worker that you want. You could be converting your whole worker. I'm just going to do a couple GPUs, so we'll show you that as well. We have 3 of them. So we're going to do our 3060s, which are all on, they're all on Ravencoin right now. So we'll go over to the flight sheets, and we are going to edit our flight sheet. So you can see we got multiple miners. We got a Team Red miner on 2 AMD cards mining Ethereum. We got MB miner on 1 3080 mining Ethereum, and then we have our 3 3060 LHR cards on Ravencoin mining that on T-Rex miner. So we are gonna basically configure this one. So we will go Ravencoin because that's what we're mining, even though we're getting paid out in SHIB. We are going to, all right, so what we're going to do here is we are going to change this guy to Shiba Inu, which we just input. Select our wallet. Then we are going to, the pool, we're going to configure in the miner. So we're going to go set up miner config. T-Rex miner hash algorithm Kapow, since we're on Ravencoin. Now what you want to do here is basically that's going to be there, but we'll show you. We're going to go SHIB right there, just like that, because if you go over to Unmineable, you see SHIB colon, then your address and your worker name, except you don't type it in like this because Hive OS has its own command. So if you hover over this information I right there, you're gonna go wall and then period, and then you're gonna go worker name. All right, so that's good. Worker name you already classified there. Pool URL, go back to Unmineable, and that's what this guy is going to be. So you're going to highlight this global server here. You're going to drop that, oops, you're going to drop that in there. And then password X1, whatever you could put. Pool URL we did, and here's, so in our case we're designated GPUs to this a certain amount. We have 6 GPUs on this rig, but we're designating 3 of them, and extra config arguments there. You can you know, put devices and then, you know, say which ones that you want to be doing mining on this T-Rex miner only. So that's that, and basically that's all. You're gonna apply changes here, and then that's good to go, and you're gonna update, and then changes will be, the flight sheet is active, right? So we want to changes will be applied on all workers using this flight sheet, which is, this is the only worker, so we're going to do that right there. And there we go. Flight sheet successfully updated. Reboot is happening. So we will go back to our overview. All right, now that you're at your miner page, we are gonna typically, once you do that, let's just restart the miner. Just to make sure everything's good. I'm pretty sure it did fine, but we'll do that. Let that restart now, and then we will check out Unmineable to see if it is showing that it's connected and hashing properly and so on the pool. All right, guys, there we go. We are all restarted and hashing. So once you let it go for a little while, what you can do if you are unsure if, you know, Unmineable is even gating your hash rate and so on, you could go back to their site. You could put your SHIB address there, and there you go. As you can see, pending balance there, and the graph is starting to show our hash rate. So there you go, guys. You are now mining SHIB, or possibly an alternative coin of your choice. And that's it. That's simple. So appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Hit the like, subscribe if you haven't, and we will catch you next time. Peace.